Good afternoon, welcome to Krabi. Krabi is supposed to have some of the most beautiful beaches in all of Thailand. Today we are on Aonang Beach, I think, a very popular beach here. But we are going to what a lot of people say is the most beautiful beach in all of Thailand.
We're just here to take a boat there. We're going to Railay Beach.
Railay Beach. It's supposed to be a paradise-like with blue waters, limestone cliffs, coconuts, beautiful ladies with big leaves creating some nice breeze.
You're really sunning in here. Anyway, we're supposed to spend our last day here in Krabi. So tomorrow we're flying to Oslo. Today is our last day. Tomorrow we're flying to Oslo.
Yep.
And we thought this would be a great spot to spend our final day in Thailand. So we're gonna take a boat to the beach, look for the boat. I don't think it's gonna be too difficult. See a couple over there. So
let's go and find that boat. There?
Always losing the credit cards.
So it's about 400 baht for 2 people return, which is pretty good. I mean, it's about 6 euros per person to go there and come back by boat. Last boat's back at 6 o'clock, so we still have about a good 5 hours to enjoy the beach a bit. I work on my bikini because, with all those tan lines, and maybe I should wear my thong today so I have like the minimal tan lines. What do you think?
I think I'm just gonna swim by the hotel. I'll see you later. You enjoy that beach.
These are the long-tail boats we'll be taking. It's about a 15-minute ride. It's right behind those cliffs there.
Getting onto the boat.
We made it to Railay Beach. Wow. It's even more incredible than I imagined.
You can see quite a few people here on the beach, but
it's not like it's like really packed, but like it's a bit crowded, but nothing too much.
But it's beautiful. The scenery, wow.
Wow.
Amazing.
I think this must be the most beautiful beach I've ever seen, by far.
Alright, so we have found ourselves a spot on the beach, a little bit in the shade. Now I'm going to try to see if we can find some drinks here somewhere. They've got a pretty nice beach here. I mean, the water is pretty calm and the scenery is incredible. Thank you.
Ice cold coconut, beautiful beach, calm waters, women bikini.
You in a thong. Oh wait.
No, I'm not wearing my thong today. I thought people might get upset when I do that because I didn't shave my legs, and I'm going to enjoy the afternoon now. And maybe it's time to show you guys the beautiful surroundings here. We have our drone, some beautiful shots of the beach. Let's do this.
So the tide is moving out a little bit, and now that the water has moved out, there are all these small, teeny little crabs that made small, teeny little holes on the beach. Look at it, it's like fireworks on the sand. It's cool, no?
It's now about 4:30 now. It's really peaceful. Most people come here by day boats, which run from 8 o'clock till 6 o'clock in the evening. You can also choose to stay here. It's probably expensive. I don't know, I didn't look at the prices though, so probably you can find some budget options as well. But it seems like most of the day tourists are gone now. It's really peaceful and quiet.
Pretty nice.
It's like paradise. Enjoy. Beautiful view. Our last day in Thailand.
He looks tough, but he can be a bit of a wussy sometimes.
But in about 24 hours time we will be in Oslo. And
Freezing
it's
our
freezing
asses
there,
off.
so it will be like a 35-degree difference in just a couple of hours. Tomorrow at 7 o'clock I think we take the flight, and then about 12-13 hours later we will be in Oslo. Yeah.
Normally this rope is like the end of the swimming zone, but since the tide is going out, it is now the end of the walking zone. So currently this is about the deepest you can go unless you're planning on walking all the way out there.
Yeah, even out there people are only like up to here. Like when we arrived here I came for a quick little swim and it was like up till here I think at this point. Yeah, it's quite incredible. Sun is starting to go down already a little bit. In about 1 hour I think it will be dark. We have to take the long tail boat, get back to Ao Nang Beach, which is also really beautiful by the way. Just on the other side actually of that rock, so it's fairly close. I mean, just 5 or 10 minutes.
Wait for the water for a little bit.
Yeah, gonna head back. Sun is almost setting now. Hope we can still make it to Ao Nang before the sunset, otherwise it will be a sunset from the beach. From the boat, not on the beach. But yeah, it's been really beautiful. I love it. It's one of my favorite beaches ever. Not sure if it's the most beautiful one. I don't think so though. There are a few contesters, but I think this is the most beautiful beach I've ever seen. So yeah, sad to be leaving, but happy I had this beautiful last day.
Made it back onto dry land, onto Ao Nang Beach.
Cheers.
Just in time for the sunset with a beer from, well, not a 7-Eleven, but like a pharmacy that sold beer or something like that.
Pharmacy selling beer.
Time for the last Chang beer that we'll probably be having in a while. On the last beach we'll be seeing in a while.
Also, but in Belgium we'll have awesome
Better
beers.
beer.
I'm already looking forward to some of the things at home actually. Like having like a good beer, a good bottle of wine. What else do I miss? Oh yeah, like typical Belgian food, like how do you say, carbonate?
Yeah, like a beef stew.
Beef stew with some French fries and a good glass of wine or a good beer.
And our friends and family, of course. Let's not forget about them.
Who?
It's Ao Nang Beach. Nothing too special. Not nearly as nice as Railay Beach, but perfect to sip a beer over the sunset. It's a nice pink sunset, but it's very cloudy. Are you gonna miss Thailand?
I'm definitely gonna miss it. It has been great, although I spent like 2 days in the hospital. But yeah, I love it. I love it.
And you're feeling better, by the way.
I'm feeling better, yeah.
If you have no idea what that is referring to, go check out the last video about my diving accident.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm going to miss Thailand. It's been great. We had a lot of fun. And I really like Chiang Mai. I like the vibe there. So overall, Thailand is quite touristy. One of the more touristy, or probably the most touristy country we've ever been to. Yeah, so there were some downsides, but it's very beautiful. I can see why there are so many people here.
I enjoyed Thailand as well, but I think I was a bit more bothered by how touristy it was than you were. I mean, obviously we knew before we came here that it would be touristy, but like especially for prices, especially in terms of transportation, sometimes the prices they ask to take you just on a 10-minute taxi ride, which normally in Asia would cost you like 1-2 euros, is like 10-12 euros, just the same as at home. And then I'm just like, I'm sorry, you're ripping me off. Anyway, enough bitching. Sunset is beautiful, and that is what matters.